So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Okay, so no wonder you guys were last. I'm telling you, I'm talking like I'm not a Libra today. But anyway, no wonder, my Libras are last, okay? We're last because there's a lot going on. I can feel it already. So what I'm seeing here is with engagement, I feel like you guys are entering into this stage where somebody's coming back. They want to commit to you, and I feel like this is going to lead to a proposal. If it doesn't happen right away, it's going to happen like once they come back, you decide to, y'all talk it out, you heal things, you move forward. There's an engagement coming for some of you. I feel like it's a few of you out there. This person definitely has romantic feelings for you, and they're hoping that you're going to give them a chance. But right now, they're not happy in their current situation. And when it comes to you, they know that they messed up really bad. They feel like they don't even deserve you at this point. All right, so let's see. Okay, bottom of the deck, I have the Five of Pentacles reversed. So this is letting me know that, yes, somebody left you out in the cold. And now they're regretting it because they want to come back and they want to make it right. See? But they're afraid that you're not going to take their offer. Okay. Tell me more. This person, you're their wish fulfillment. This person wants to have a family with you. You're the one. They know it. But see, they feel like you're not going to talk to them. They know that they hurt you. And they know you're tired of them. See, you're tired of the in and out. You're tired of the games. You're tired of them playing around with you. Possibly entertaining other people. Could be dealing with a Cancer, but I'm seeing somebody's not moving forward. But look at that. This is your person. It's like this person loves you. They care about you. This could be a soulmate connection. For some of you, could be a twin flame. And as soon as I said twin flame, look at that. You see 1111? But the Four of Wands came out reversed. So this is telling me that somebody doesn't have a happy home. Like they're trying. Remember I told you I saw free yourself? And they're trying to get themselves out of a situation. So it could be like a home situation, family, living arrangement. There's something going on. And now this person's afraid that because they messed up with you, maybe you don't want to have this family life with them anymore. Let's see. Yeah. They feel like you're going to judge them, but I'm saying they need to make a decision. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But they're going to have the strength to come back towards you. Okay. And give you this offer. This person, they're going to try to find a way to ask you out, but they feel like you're not going to accept this offer because there was a third-party interference. Now they're afraid that things may not improve between the two of you. But I'm saying they're going to be confident. Even though they're unsure if you're going to accept this offer, they're going to be confident and they're going to come towards you. Tell me more. They're going to get out of their head. I feel like this person, they don't want to have any issues with you. They don't want to argue with you. Yeah, see, they're coming back to speak their truth. They're going to, I'm telling you this, somebody's about to take a leap. Somebody's going to take a leap to come back to see if they can work this out with you. Oh, look at that. This person's going to have the confidence to come towards you. Could be dealing with the Pisces, but you see, 1111. Y'all, I told you. This is a soulmate or it's a twin flame connection. This person wants to balance things out with you, and that's the decision that they made. Somebody's coming back. See? Because they don't want you to walk away. They don't want you to walk away from them. Tell me more. There's the Devil. I feel like that's fear. This person's afraid that you are going to leave them. Could be dealing with the Capricorn. See? But they're going to make this decision to speak their truth to you. Okay? I mean, y'all, I didn't tell y'all. These are new cards, okay? They're slick. Bear with me. So, hold on. So, the world fell out just like this. So, this person is basically saying that even though they're afraid you don't want to have a new opportunity with them, they're still going to come. They're making plans to come towards you because they want to make this right. But see, they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. Yep. There was a third party here. Somebody put themselves in some type of like third party situation. But I see them breaking out of it. But Knight of Pentacles, this person moved very slow. This is still going to take some time. Tell me more. This person is going through a Tower moment right now. And the Devil caught my eye. Yeah, whoever they were involved with, whether it's like a love interest and family and or family friends, whatever it is, they're going through it right now. Clarify the Tower. Because they're realizing they messed up. They left you out in the cold, but maybe they're getting left out in the cold financially speaking. But regardless, they want to make it right. But see, they know that they stabbed you in the back. And see, they're trying to do whatever they can to clear away this obstacle to be with you. The seeds they planted with you, they want them to grow, but this person's losing hope. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. So I'm seeing that they're wanting to move forward. They don't want to look back on what took place. Yeah, this person, they were having a hard time sleeping. They're coming out of that energy, but they're still not really talking to you. It's little to no communication. Okay. Well, look at that. Communication is coming in. This person's going to tell you that they want to have a new opportunity with you. They're going to tell you that they made a change because they were being sneaky in the past. But they're afraid that you don't want to have a victory with them anymore. Okay, let's see. And they're having a hard time because it's like they're not confused. They want to be with you, but I'm telling you, this person's moving very slow. Because if they come and they speak their truth to you, they're feeling like you don't want to put any more time or energy into them. But Spirit is saying they're not listening to their intuition. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Another Libra. So let's see. Tell me more. But you see these two women here? This is what I'm talking about. Y'all know how I feel about my court cards. I'm seeing two women. It could be two men, but there were definitely two people. This person, they have to come and tell you the truth. It's like if they want to move forward with you, they can't hold anything back. They have to tell you about this other person, what's been going on. But see, they're like, it's family. This could have been like some type of family situation as well for some of you. But they're like, okay, if I tell this person the truth, look, I'm going to lose them. They're frustrated. They're feeling like they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. See, they're having a hard time. Somebody could have been dealing with a Taurus, but there's some type of contract. Somebody could be married. Whatever it is, they're trying to get out of it. I do feel like this person does want to be with you, but see, they're worried about money. So there could be some type of like legal situation going on your person's end, and they are worried about their finances. See, they're feeling stuck. Somebody feels stuck in a situation, and it's like they're trying not to be frustrated, but they are. Because right now there's no balance, you know, and they want things to improve between the two of you, but they got to talk to you. This person's afraid that you're going to cut them off for good. I don't know if I said it because y'all know I'm just kind of moving, but somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But see, I told you, they know that they're going to have to talk to you if they want to even have a new opportunity with you, but they're trying to make a decision. They got to make a decision. Tell me more. This person, they have a hard time, you know, speaking their truth. They have a hard time showing their emotions. But, yeah, they want happiness with you. Okay. They want a new beginning with you. I feel like if there's not a child already involved, maybe some of you guys, like this person definitely sees themselves like getting you pregnant, having a child with you. And they want to, yeah, somebody's wanting to move really fast. But right now, there is something going on with their money. And this is why they're not coming towards you. They're not putting in the work. They're having a hard time. Because it's like, this person is responsible for taking care of someone and or other people. And they can't come towards you just yet until they get that other situation under control. So, it's a lot of regret. That's a lot of regret that I'm picking up on. Yeah, because see, this person was being very immature, very childish towards you. See, now they're afraid that things aren't balancing out with their money, but they're not going to be able to balance things out with you. Because, see, they feel like you're going to reject their offer. So, they're going to make a decision to come back towards you. But I have 2 9s here. So, there's been some type of cycle that's been going on between the two of you. And it is coming to an end. This person had to go through this lesson. Tell me more. Some of you could have been dealing with a Virgo. But, yeah, it's like they're afraid that you're going to cut them off for good. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but it's like, yeah, they can't come towards you just yet. They're still going through a cycle. Remember I told you the cycle is wrapping up, it's coming to an end, but it's still going on. Like they have to go through a lesson. So right now, it could be ego and pride as well. Like they need to drop it and come towards you. See, this person's going through a change. Somebody's definitely going through some type of transformation. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. But see, they don't have a peace of mind right now. It could be about their money. Yeah, somebody took a financial hit. And they're trying to get themselves together. But they're afraid that it's too late. Because they feel like you don't want to be with them. But I am telling you, somebody took a hit getting out of some type of commitment, contract, whatever this arrangement is. And they know that they had you waiting around. But I feel like they're waiting on something financially speaking. You know, but they can't stop thinking about what took place in the past. Because with this past, yeah, it's codependency. It's either like your person was codependent to someone else or someone was codependent to your person. Yeah, see, there's an offer. Your person may have to pay up, or they've been giving someone money and they have to make some changes. And see, they're trying to stay positive. They're trying to manifest a change because, see, they want to come back and give you the offer, but they have to get themselves out of this other situation first. Okay. All right, Libra. So let's get you some advice. Ooh, see, Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups came out. This person definitely wants to give you an offer. They're hoping, like, please. But it jumped on top of you deserve love. It's like they know that you deserve this offer, but they feel like you're not going to take it. So let's see. Okay, Spirit. So when it comes to my Libra, what messages do you have for Libra, please? What messages do you have for Libra? Advice, top 20 cards. Oof, told you they slick, y'all. These cards are slick. Okay, I have the Six of Swords. So this person definitely, I feel like they want to turn things around. And to be honest with you, even though y'all are annoyed with this individual, you were hoping at one point things could work out. You know, you guys could turn things around. Yeah, because you both love each other. You both want to be with each other, but there has been somebody holding on to your person, and it has been for financial reasons. The Death card tried to come out reversed, so it's like you had to put an end to that situation because you didn't have a peace of mind about what was going on. See, this is all money. You see what I'm saying? This is money involved. So somebody was involved with someone else, whether it's friends, family, or love interest, because of money. So it's like, you look, see what I'm saying? All these are pentacles. You want things to improve, but yeah, this person left you out in the cold and you had no choice. It's like you've been healing. You've been kind of just doing your own thing, but you're back and forth with the Ten of Wands. So that lets me know it's like you were holding on tight to this person once upon a time, but you're to the point where you're like, you know what? I gotta let it go. And I feel like for a lot of you, you have, but see, you guys are frustrated because you know this is your person. You know that you're supposed to have a life with them, but see, you had no choice but to walk away. You had to walk away because it wasn't serving you any good. This person kept playing games. Okay. See, I told you, but it's like you really didn't want to walk away from this person. Okay. But they took too long. This person was moving slow, so you had to make a decision. Okay. There was no balance here at all. You were the one doing everything. So with the Ace of Wands, I'm seeing that you have a new beginning coming in, Libra. Yep, just because you learned your lesson, by you moving on and you moving forward, you got your lesson. You have a new beginning. Something's coming in for you. So let's see. It's love. You got a love offer coming in. All right, so I'm seeing that, how is this person? I'm not going to sit here and say nobody knew was coming in, but it's this person because I'm seeing that you're not confident if you should accept this new love offer because I see your guard is up. You don't have the strength to deal with them because this person's going to come back trying to apologize to you, but you're looking at them like, no, you're sneaky. I don't have time for this. Okay, let's see. Yep. You're kind of like, you know what? You're sneaky. I don't see myself having a new beginning with you. And even though, yes, they're going to come back and give you this offer, you're like, no, I'm good. You know, you've been isolating yourself because they isolate themselves from you. So you had no choice but to kind of just focus on you. I'm going to get 9 more. Let's see. Yeah. You guys are, it's like, to everyone else, everybody feels like you're good. You're not thinking about this person. But this situation bothers you. It really does. And see, you're not positive about this person at all. Let's see. Yeah. See, there's soulmate. There's a soulmate connection. This person's upset, you know, but at the end of the day, it's like you don't see happiness with this person because they kept stabbing you in the back. So you've been just healing. You've been kind of just doing your own thing. But see how the Emperor jumped right on top of the Empress? I told you, this is a soulmate or a twin flame connection. And at the end of the day, you don't see stability with this person at all. You're like, nope, I'm good. But see, the truth is coming out. This person's going to come back giving you an offer, but it's a small offer to see if the two of you can move forward. But I just see you're going to continue to focus on you. You're like, you might hear them out. More than likely, you probably will, but you're not really paying any mind to them because you're like, I'm in a good space. I've moved on. I've been focusing on me. You know, either you're talking to someone new and or someone else is coming into the picture outside of this person from the past, and you're like, I'm just doing me right now, and I'm happy, and I don't need you coming back trying to disrupt everything that I've been working hard for. But see, you're going to have a hard time, because I told you, a lot of you, you know this is like a soulmate or a twin flame connection, but yeah, this one's going to be interesting. So, Libra, please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. Right now, I'm not accepting any new personal readings because I need to go back and go through my emails for the month of May to get, those people scheduled first. But I promise I will make an announcement when I open it back up.